Arutwo a kirathi kia mbere guothe bururi-ini kwaanjiriria wa gatano uyu ni mekwamukira macini cia tablet niguo kugacirithia githomo. Minister wa technology na ukinyaniria Joe Mucheru augite tablet milioni 1.2 cikugayanio gatagati ga cukuru 23,000 miena yothe bururi-ini.
For the next 30 days, we have cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries and other government officials going around the country, inspecting over 60 schools to see how the deployment of this project is taking place.
Minister wa githomo Dr. Fred Matiang'i augite arimu 84,000 ni maramukira mathomo ma kuhuthira tablet icio niguo matambie githomo kuri arutwo.
But we are not going to be training teachers throughout. We want to fundamentally change the teacher training curriculum so that those who are undergoing teacher training now, as we move forward, I have required the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, working together with our teacher training institutions, to see how we will build into our teacher training programs capacity to deliver content in a digital environment.
Minister wa mahinya Charles Keter na kiaugite thirikari gutambia hinya wa thitima cukuru-ini ciothe cia muingi niguo gukinyaniria mubango ucio. Mubango uyu ningi ni ukuguna aikari aria mariganite na cukuru kumana na gutambio gwa thitima. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.